Hi friends, today we will see what is the software testing. Software testing is the process which helps to identify correctness, completeness, security, and quality of the developed application. So, this is the definition of the software testing. We will see in broad view that what is the software testing. So, it will be helpful to understand the exact concept. So, this is one of the important phase from the SDLC model. First of all, why we need the software testing? We need the software testing because we want to deliver the bug free software to the end user or the client. If software contains many bugs or some bugs, then there is no use to deliver such a bad quality software to clients, so they get frustrated or will not return again to ourselves. We need the software testing to identify such bugs before it get delivered to the end user. So we will detect the bug in software, we will detect the bug and get them fixed from the developer before it goes live. We will see what is the correctness, completeness, security and quality here. So first is correctness. So the correctness, here the correctness is the checking that the requirement of the user are implemented correctly or not. Checking that checking that the requirements are implemented correctly or not. Here the requirements of client or user. So correctness is the checking of requirement of clients are implemented correctly or not. Means we will check that the given requirement, which are the requirements given by the clients, are they implemented correctly in our software or not. For example, client wants the filter on his software that's showing the correct result. We will check that the applying some filter, it will shows the correct result or not. Then completeness. So in this, we will check that the all the baseline requirements are implemented or not. Means what? Means in completeness, we will check that the if the client are come with the some, let's say some 30 requirements. So we will check that all the requirements are implemented in our software or not. If any requirement is missing, then we will raise the bug for that or get them fixed. Next is security. Security. So we will check that the only authenticate user will have the access for the software. This is very important to check the security, such as if let's say example, if any software having the payment gateway implemented in this, or let's take a simple example of login. If user provides wrong credential and get access to the software, then there is no use to using such kind of software. So it is very important to check the security while testing the software. Next is the quality. Quality. In this, we will check that the application should fulfill customers' need in terms of defined quality attribute. So this is all about the software testing. Hope you will understand what is software testing. Defect can occur in any application or any component of the application. It's related to characteristics or design perspective or the security perspective. So the software testing will focuses on checking all the component and characteristics to detect the defect and get report same to the development team, so that the development team get fixes the defects, thereby ensuring a smooth experience to the end user. So this is all about software testing. Hope you guys are enjoy the video. Please. So thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and share with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel if not done already. Thank you.